Holding. Oh.
She still starts, and she still moves. Fucking Honda for the win.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Wonderful Performance. So like I promised in last week's video, if you haven't seen it yet, the link for that one's down in the description below. This weekend is the prep for CSCS. So CSCS is this Sunday up at CMP Calabogie. We're super excited, so we're taking the next 2 days to go all out, getting the final touches done on a couple of the cars. So today, first thing we're going to knock off is Jasmine's exhaust, and we're going to work on getting Jasmine's Accord ready so that it can make it to CSCS, and then at the end of this video, I'm just going to finish a couple little touch-ups on Baby Shark, get everything polished up, get both cars looking pretty, and then we will wrap things up for this weekend, give you guys a little bit of a teaser, and then next weekend will be the actual, like, full CSCS video, so make sure you stay tuned to that.
See, it would have been so much. Why is there so many wires?
Now, with the door panel off, we can get a look at the OEM speaker. Oh yeah, she's dirty. Looks like it's got 4 bolts on it, so we're just gonna go ahead, take this guy out, and see if the new one plugs right in. We got a couple of new speakers sitting right here. What are they? Alpines?
I think so.
Yeah, a couple of Alpines sitting here, so we'll slam these in, see what happens. Ooh, I'm about to make a name for myself out here. Day 2, it's a lot more wet today, but we have to finish off Jasmine's exhaust and then throw the door cards back in, and we are all done the Accord for now, getting it ready for CSCS. So let's go ahead and finish off these headers.
Combination of the O2 and fuck right off.
Mark.
I would have just ran the car for...
The one.
On the bottom corner.
Oh, did I get the top one? I'll double check
No.
the top one.
I don't think so, Mark.
If we break another piece of one of these blocks off, I swear to God. Alright, so here are shiny new headers for the Honda that are for a D series motor,
Possibly.
I think. Possibly. So we can't put these on the FA, unfortunately. So we're gonna go and I'm gonna visit our buddy Steven. He's gonna shore up our manifold a little bit and drill out some studs and get us new studs so that we can put the car back together, because it's dark out for the second night and we want to get this thing done. So let's go over to Steven's. Ooh, that's not pretty. Very pretty.
I thought my ground was drunk.
So don't touch that part. Got it.
Feel a little prettier. There you go.
Touch for a quick there.
Gotta give it that hot twin spin on that thing. You saw me saw Jaw Jaw Binks.
To dream
coming.
You're telling me we've known him longer than... Huh?
Every time you hop in my car, I break something.
Yes.
Race car.
First time I hopped
As long as it's finger tight for now.
Yep, just gets it in and then you can zap it. I mean, glue.
Oh, fuck.
And then this doesn't line up right. Well,
Would be a lot better than. Oh, either or. We got more room than.
I can kind of just hold this one still. I can't really ratchet much. Alright, back to the other side. Brake pipe.
Oh, true. Well. True, I guess you're only hammering on that gasket. Felt like it cut?
Yeah, but it didn't.
The end. If you look at the end of it.
And final touch for CSCS prep is we have a new banner. Thank you, Neck Collectors, for sponsoring the channel, sponsoring the builds. We're going to go ahead and mock this up and get it stuck on the car before CSCS. And boom, there we go. Stuck on the car. Moment of truth. Let's rip this transfer tape off. Voila. And there we go, we've made it to Sunday morning. It's time for CSCS. Let's get this. Wax is looking fresh. Saturn's good to go. Final stickers have been put on. That's it for the prep today, boys. Thank you all for tagging along for the CSCS prep. It's going to be a really good day today. Sorry this video didn't get out quite on time Saturday like it was supposed to. We've been busy, so make sure you guys are enjoying this. It's going to come out on Monday night. So have a great start to y'all's week. Happy Monday, and we will catch y'all next week for the CSCS video.